Okay, we'll now start with the cards. Now, just to mention that this is not some magic trick or some trick with the cards. It's pure sense, pure power of the mind. Sir, will continue now.
Okay. And it's not that only this mind is only one Adil Chalawala can do, a genius mind. It's anybody, any child can do this.
Like humans are born with it.
Every human is born with it. Okay, here Adil is ready with 4 of
All
hearts.
right.
Fantastic. Can somebody just pull a card for us out, please? Okay, this gentleman has picked up a card for Adil. Yes, Adil. This would be a little difficult for him because they deserve.
King of trees.
Just show the card here.
Okay, King of Tree. Now this child doesn't know King of Clubs. They say for this
Right.
they name it as tree. Okay.
All right.
It's like leaf. So King of Tree is correct. Somebody else, please. His own mother. Okay, Adil. Adil, can you sense it from here? Try it. Later on, after another few sessions, he doesn't need to touch the card. He can also sense the card and tell you. But currently, it's just 6 sessions are over. So it will take another 6 sessions for him to identify. Okay, Adil. Tell me. Okay, you can pick up the card.
King of Q of leaves.
Q of
Leaves.
which leaf, beta? Now here, the King of Tree for them, and this is Q of leaf. Means that's in the card games. It is spades, so it's leaf for him. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, Adil. A last card for you. Don't smell it. Okay, I'll give you to smell. Ready? Okay, smell. Ready?
2 of diamonds.
And it is 2 of diamond.
Wow, excellent.
Okay, this is about the card. We have lots to show, but as I said earlier, it's just 6 sessions are over. What I would like is, just in sign language, if people can give us, number. Do not call out because he will then be able to add. In sign language, if people can show the numbers. What Adil will perform is a big sum. A sum which is not possible for a 7-year or second just academic year has started, 2nd-year-old boy to perform with eyes open. Adil will close his eyes and perform. So can somebody just in sign language give me the numbers? So I just write out the numbers. Okay, here the gentleman called for this number. Okay, this lady says for this number. Okay, again another number. Okay, another number. Okay, I do this sign. Okay, more numbers please. Okay, I take this big number. Okay, another big number. Fine. Okay, another number. Now this will be too much for a 2nd-year-old, 2nd standard boy. Yeah. Little faster, little clean writing. Fantastic, very good. Very good. Very good. And it's a correct answer. Fantastic. Very good performance. Okay. This is for just to make sure that now his subconscious mind is trained to sense the colors, to smell each color. And what they do is, just like you have heard the story about a shark can follow a drop of blood from 15 kilometers away. It's the same thing is possible with human also. What he's doing is, he's just, what Adil is doing is, the moment you're, Adil, can you tell me which color I wrote? Blue color I wrote. What he's doing, the moment I start writing this number, he follows the smell and he's creating a graph in his mind. Similarly, all these numbers, he's just following the trace, just like the shark following a blood. So he can sense the color that is tracing and he forms an image in his mind. Therefore, he goes on adding the total. He can do multiplication, he can do any mathematical problems, he can also play games, and another 10 sessions he will be also reading his textbooks with blindfolded. Okay? And down the year, a year later, a complete 1 year's course or 1.5 years course, that's around 52 sessions, he will be reading his book faster than normal academic year, blindfolded, and also answering with full accuracy, also giving the page number. If you give him a book, he will be probably ready in just 1 day. He will just finish his entire textbook in a day. He will be able to give you answer with page number and paragraph, and that too blindfolded. Thank you very much.